Welcome to Fitness 116 Body Conditioning. To communicate with your kinesiology instructors, please use the Canvas inbox or your instructor's email. Messages will be returned within 24 hours. Messages sent over the weekend will be returned the first workday after the weekend. Body conditioning is an activities course where students receive credit for exercising and tracking their workouts to submit on Canvas. Body conditioning is fully online and asynchronous, allowing students to exercise according to their own schedule. Please look at the course overview module to become familiar with the course setup and procedures. Students will have 2 weeks to complete 6 total workouts for submission. Using the Activities and Assignments module, students can stay on track for every 2 weeks. Our Canvas course also provides an exercise library complete with demonstrations, explanations, and videos to help students get started on their exercises. Body conditioning is a great course for maintaining good physical and mental health and creating lasting, healthy habits. I'm looking forward to a great semester. Thank you.